push with us. Cause we don't care if you don't care. So come and push with us. Oh yeah. Cause we don't care if you don't care. So come and push with us. Yeah, that's right. That's right. You know, if life gives you a push, then you gotta give life a push back. Can't make excuses. Yo, when I sing about the push, I ain't talking about the dope people moving. I'm singing about the hoses that are draining my tank. Y'all wanna hold me back? You trying to suck me dry? That's when I push, moving as I wave goodbye. See, I got miles of motivation, files that I'm known for lacing. My winners down in Bali beam holding a fly vacation. Dude, I'm on stage soloing, my flow controlling. I'm proud that across the ocean, my crowd still feel the motion. Give me blue sky shoes, I lose them as I cruise by. Delivering rhythm, I'm driven to give at the moment. It feel like the reason I'm living it, yeah. Cause we don't care if you don't care. So come and push with us. Oh yeah. Cause we don't care if you don't care. So come and push with us. Cause we don't care if you don't care. So come and push with us. Oh yeah. Cause we don't care if you don't care. And if I'm too cliche for y'all, then I guess you'll throw my CD out the window. First I check and see which way the wind blow. Cause if I come back, you gon' have to listen. You gon' have to listen. And you gon' have to listen to me. And then we can move together from reality. Oh, listen to me. And then we together hear what we cannot see. Oh no.
If I could speak to my people just one more time, light a spliff with my people just one more rhyme. It's a trip how my people hold the only thing I find could open up my eyes to another frame of mind. We kiss them and we knock them, we hug them like it's nothing. We lost touch from talking, now we lose them all too often. We didn't get a chance to say goodbye. So if you feel me, put your fist up in the sky and
come and push with us. Cause we don't care if you don't care. So come and push with us. Oh yeah. Cause we don't care if you don't care.
Yeah. The push is motivation, the push is inspiration, the push is hugs and lots of love when it's tough times we facing. See, in the small town I come from, we stick together.